Hi everybody, it's Brian from Custom Classics. Here behind me today is a beautiful 1966 Mustang convertible. Mustangs are America's favorite. Everybody loves those. They're as iconic as Mom, Apple Pie, and baseball. Done in ivy green with the parchment pony interior. This car has gone through a lot of recent upgrades, and we'll kind of run through that here as we go through things. It's got the 289 V8 in it, which has been rebuilt and had a little upgrades as well with a 4-barrel carb, a nice intake manifold, and a little bit of a cam to give it a little bit of a punch. It has the iconic top loader 4-speed trans, which I think is wonderful in this car. They added the fog lights on this thing, which would have been in the GT package, as well as dual exhaust with the louvered nice exhaust tips on this thing. The seats have been redone in the pony interior. The carpet's fresh, door trim panels as well, and it's got the rally style gauges in it with the clock and the tack. Console is new in this thing as well. Steering wheel is the correct steering wheel as it should be. That's a wood steering wheel with the 3-spoke. The styled steel wheels with the trim rings, which is another nice Ford thing that would have been on the GTs. The nice white striping down the side, as well as some fresh set of radial white walls that also add to its looks. It really is a classy combination. We just recently added power steering and power disc brakes up front on this thing. So as well as going, you'll be able to stop it too. The chrome and the trim on this car is in above average condition. The paint is urethane base coat clear, all been wet sanded and buffed. So in person, it is as shiny and slick as it looks in all of our photos. As you walk around the car and look at everything on it, the stainless steel, the trim, the convertible top, boot, everything fits nice, everything looks crisp. Underneath, as you look on our webpage and you see the photos, the underneath of the car has been done as well. It's detailed and looks very nice. So take a peek at it on our website. You'll see all the photos and everything that I'm talking about, as well as a real nice write-up on this car. If you got any questions, give us a call. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget to look us up on all of our socials as well.